Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to take a screenshot in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Windows 11 operating system, or you might be upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. And maybe somehow or some cases you might be looking for how to take a screenshot. In this video, I'm going to share with you within 3 ways how you can take a screenshot. First of all, in your Windows 11 keyboard, you're going to find here something, say print screen. If you click here print screen, and it's going to automatically save a clipboard in this screen, active screen. Now what you have to do, you need to go in your Windows 11 search bar and then type here PAINT, and then you're going to find here paint. Now here click this paste button to paste that screenshot. Now if I zoom out, you're going to see the full screenshot, how it's going to be looks like. You can easily customize the screenshot, or you can easily type whatever you want, or you can keep as it is. And you can, if you want to save it, just click here save, and you can choose your targeted location and give a name. And then also you can choose the save as tab. You can choose this screenshot as a PNG or JPEG or other format as usual. So I'm going to choose here JPEG, and I'm going to click here save. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to see just now I had take the picture. It's now saved in here, and this is how it looks like. Let me share with you the second step. In this step, you can easily use your keyboard shortcut key to take a screenshot. For example, I open this screen and I want to take this full screen screenshot. So for that, you need to click in your keyboard Win key plus print screen together, and that's going to be take a screenshot. For example, if I want to see this screenshot, it will be saved automatically in my user profile picture, and there will be a folder screenshot. So for that, you need to open this user profile, click here picture, click here screenshot, and open the file that just now you can see. Just now I had took the screenshot, it's appear here. So this is the second step, how you can take a screenshot, which is really very useful and very easy. Also, there is a last step, the third and the last step, which is you can take a screenshot through snapping tools. So for that, we're going to click in our Windows 11 search bar, and then we're going to type here SNIPP, and then you're going to find here something, say snapping tools. Snapping tools is going to be just looks like this. If you click here new, and by default this might be going to be looks like this, you can choose here 4 ways to take a screenshot. You can choose here like rectangular snap, free from snap, or window snap, or full screen snap. For example, if I choose rectangular snap, and if I choose the area I want to take a screenshot, it's going to be, you just choose the area, and that's going to be automatically take a screenshot. And now you can easily modify this screenshot, and you can later save the screenshot your targeted location. You can see just now I had took the screenshot, and now it's appear here. Also, if I click here new, you can choose here free from snap. You can choose free from snap. It's like this. You can add the area and take the screenshot, and that's going to be appear that particular area. If I click here new, if I go jump over Windows snap, it's like if it's going to be take a screenshot your active window. Also, if I choose a full screen snap, and that's going to be automatically take full screen snap screenshot, which is really quite interesting. You can easily save it in your targeted location. So within this way, you can easily take a screenshot in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.